say the fans were amazing today because even after 1-0, 2-0, 3-0, they still keep on chanting and all that. It was amazing. I've never seen this kind of thing before. I'm so happy to be among the Watford fans. Because even though you're losing, you have the fans chanting your name. It gives you more zeal to work hard, you know. Because every man knows what he wants. You are inside the field, you're working hard and you're losing, and the fans still keep on celebrating you, chanting your name. It gives you more zeal. No matter what is going on, you have to keep your head high, you know. I just want to thank the fans because without them...
Might have a shooting opportunity here. And still, would you believe it?